Swami Temple Treasure Museum. The treasure was found in 2011 under the subterranean walls of Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple. So I have planned to design a hypothetical museum for exhibiting the gold. So the main aim is to bridge gap between history and society. The objectives are studying the rich history, circulation, security, and economics. So coming to site justification, Martanda Verma, he's a king and he has devoted all the gold to Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. So taking a single coin out of a temple fort area is just not possible. So the site must be inside the fort area. Limitation does not include the structural system, costing and estimation. This is the methodological diagram. Coming to scope, studying the security system and subterranean architecture. Feasibility. When the LDF government came to power, they have actually came with the idea of a museum, and it is in the process. Java Kala Kendra. It is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan, designed by Charles Gore, and it is located in proper transportation area. The main concept is inspired on the Vastu Mandala of the Jaipur city designed by Raja Jai Singh. Here, the king has shifted one of the great to the northeast due to mountains. Here, the architect has shifted one of great to east southeast for proper entrance. Coming to Sony, each grid traditionally represents planets. For example, this grid is in the planet Mercury, which traditionally represents knowledge, and here the function is library. Here, this is Venus, which represents arts, and the function is auditorium. Coming to plan, there is two parking area. One is the main parking, and other is for library auditorium parking. And there is a pedestrian entrance. This is the plan. There is active space and circulation plan. There are two main the spaces which are most active, which is mainly canteen and audit. Central courtyard. Climate being located in a semi-arid space. Architect has brought jalis, punches in the wall, and pergolas for cooling the air. There is play with light and shadow, mainly in the library space. There is, there is a pond over here, and which cools the library. The material is mainly red sandstone, and there is traditional inspiration, Madhyavandi, wall painting, traditional, and Tilam food court. National Museum, New Delhi. It is located in Janpath, New Delhi. It is well equipped proper transportation system, and it is surrounded by national buildings. Coming to the basement, this space mainly is service area, and machine rooms are also located here. And the first floor, this space mainly has auditorium, library, and gallery spaces. There's a central courtyard. The main movement types are tandem, this radial, and linear. First floor mainly has gallery space and office spaces. Second floor has research space, conservation lab, and some galleries and office spaces. These are the main types of spaces. Coming to lighting, there are two types of lighting: natural and artificial lighting. Bronze gallery, it is here even the pillars are used for exhibiting. Others, the building is made of RCC concrete. Maximum height is 4 meters. All floors are wooden tiles and rubber flooring. New Acropolis Museum. It is located in Dionysia Areopagita Street, Greece. On the southeast side of the Acropolis, it is mainly designed by Baron Swamy. Concept is derived from the three problem site pieces. That is, site lacks electricity, so light has become a concept. Being located in a excavation area, motion has become a concept. Earth being located in an earthquake prone area, tectonic has become a concept. Collection, there are mainly five collections. Coming to spaces, spaces can be divided into three, that is base, center, and upper level. Base mainly exhibits McCraney excavations. Center has bar, gift, terrace area, and some auditoriums, etc. Upper level mainly has Parthenon Gallery, which has marble sculptures. This is the plan of the ground level. This is the main entry, which is mainly of glass, so they can see the underground excavations. This way, amphitheater, temporary galleries. Then first floor has mainly gallery area, archer gallery, which enables natural light inside. And second floor mainly has terrace, gift shop, snack bar. There's a view from here to Acropolis, so they can sit and enjoy that. Uppermost floor is mainly Parthenon Gallery. Functioning, there is some hybrid temperature solution. There is perforated concrete, is sound insulation. Western sunshades are used for protecting the marble sculptures from sunlight. The 94 metal bearing due to earthquake prone area. Being specific, the structures are reinforced concrete. Skylights are forced glass panels and displays marble pedestals and steel niches. Comparative analysis. Types of spaces. Jawaharlal has mainly amphitheater, museum, cafe mainly, library also. National Museum has museum and a research institute mainly. New Acropolis has museum, restaurant and shops and an auditorium mainly. Parking. Jawaharlal has two types of parking. The auditorium is separate and a main parking area. National Museum has no parking due to security reasons, and Acropolis no parking. Differently abled, there is differently abled entry. There's a ramp. There is a ramp and lifts are provided at National Museum. The whole structure movement in Acropolis is through ramp. Lighting. Only artificial lighting is used. Natural lighting is used. Artificial lighting is used in interior spaces due to security reasons. Western sunlight is used due to site has no electricity. No artificial light is used in New Acropolis. Hierarchy is used to distinguish between spaces. No hierarchy is used in National Museum. Toilets are shaded from the main portion. Placement of toilet is not proper. Fire exit are connected to small and large courtyards, make it easier to escape during fire. Fire exits are hidden and it is difficult to find. Materials are mainly red sandstone. Materials are mainly RCC concrete. Materials are mainly steel, low iron, cast in concrete, etc. Research space, cafeteria, and library can be used for non-museum visitors, which is very helpful. Libraries, which is a part of museum, this is museum institute students. Landscape is inside Vasta Mandala. No landscape. Local flora and fauna is. Data collection. Site setting. The site is located on the Trivandrum East Fort, south of the Padmanabha Swami Temple. Total area is 3.8 acres and it is owned by Temple Trust. The cost of one cent will be approximately 1 crore. This site is well equipped with proper transportation like bus, train, and airport about 2 and 3 kilometers away from the site. The main roads are MG and NH and it's also 500 meters. Yeah, there is hospital model landmark. The landmarks are Westada and Ananta Villas and Palace. Heritage guidelines as envisaged Heritage Commission. The total floor number of floors should be 2 meters, 2 floors. The maximum height should be 9 meters. The roof construction should be Mangalore. There should not be any open balcony. These are the main. The main nearby buildings are Padmanabha Temple, this yellow color. The green are the main nadas of south, east, west, and north nadas. This is Padmatirtham, this is Kudramaliga and Methilmani. This is the red is the site. The rose is the parking area, which is owned by government, where even public private buses cannot be parked there. This is the Vitamirsa Kota. These are the main features found in the nearby buildings. Rumutam, Mural Painting, Padapura, Chuttuvaranda, Charipadi, Pomugam, Lotus Pond, and wooden material. Site study 2. This is the site. These ABC are the existing building. A is Sri Anandashana Kalyana Mandapam. The main entry through this way. It was built in 1971 and it was restored in 2005 and it has renovated in 2015 and it can hold 100 people. B is Sri Vaigana Kalyana Mandapam and entry is through this way. It can hold 1,000 people and about 150 marriages happen annually and it has some aspect features of Kerala and European architecture. C is Sri Rajarajeshwara Temple, which is an existing temple. The main sun path is east to west with the delta on southern side. The main wind is southwest direction. Vegetation, coconut, neem and banana are the mainly found. This is the temperature, precipitation and wind drops diagrams. Natural factor. The main soil type is coastal alluvium due to the coastal area nearby. So the main foundation is rock foundation. Surface water. Surface water is just 5 meters below the ground level and the site has not suffered any floods. Cultural factors. Lakshadweepam is one of the festivals which happen in Padmanabha temple. There is Pankuni festival. There is Tripadadanam is an Agaram which where Martandavarma has devoted all the gold to Padmanabha temple that everything be to Sri Mahavishnu. Security. After the discovery of the vault, they have vaulted the whole eastward area is under high security. There are CCTV, underground detectors, commandos everywhere. Design program. Formation of area program. The formation of area program is developed based on types of people working and coming to museum. There will be service staff and they will be working in mainly service area. Students, they may need library, workshop, research spaces, lecture hall, etc. Non-Malayalam space, they are mainly foreigners and they need spaces to experience the culture of Kerala, that is workshop area. Parking space for VIP and restrooms. Security, they may be work. They may need a security armored room. Staff, office, restrooms, and canteen are provided for them. Children, they have a outdoor park area and workshop. Though Supreme Court does not official kinds of treasure, the formation of gallery space is derived from kinds of way in which they might have reached there. That is through tax during uh, Kingdom, capture and plunder during Martha and fear of invasion, Kozhikode Samudri has shifted his wealth to Trangu, offering from Chola and northern kingdoms and through trade with European and Chinese. This is a functional relationship diagram. The formation of office space. There are total 18 staffs. KMBR and total build area is 1030 square meter. Design development. First, the building was extended on the north-south axis. Then, building was made 8-meter height up due to building restrictions and making it mechanically ventilated. Then extended along the east-west axis due to functional issues. Then two courtyards were made for making the activity area mainly naturally ventilated, and then the gallery area was made subterranean to give them a feeling of going into an endeavor. Then the facade development at final. This is the exploded view. The red is the pedestrian access, and blue is the vehicular, and yellow is fire exit. This is ground floor, and this is first floor, which is mainly office space. Ground floor mainly has activity area. Basement one is mainly car parking and service, and canteen is located here. Basement 2 and basement 3 is gallery area. Basement 4 is cold storage. Coming to this pink color is naturally ventilated, where this space is activity area, and except this all spaces are mechanically ventilated. Public spaces, cyan is public spaces, which is mainly activity and galleries area. Blue is the semi-public, which is office space, car parking and service. Green is the highly secured private area, which is control room, uh, conservation labs, and gold store and office store areas. Site plan. The yellow outline is the existing building. This is the south nada of Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. Chotipura Street Road is made the pedestrian access to the site due to south nada proximity. A street road is made the service entry to the site. Master plan. The main entrance is from Chotipura Street. First, they have to take ticket and give the bag to bag locker. Then moving forward, there's a ramp 45 centimeter high, which can be used by disabled people. Then at the entrance to access control room, there will be crowd. So during that time, they can use the open galleries, which mainly exhibit stone sculptures. Then moving forward, there's entrance hall, and it is connected to the lecture hall, which can be used by research students. Entrance hall is mainly single height space. From there, entrance courtyard, which is double height, and glazed arched roof is used in courtyard, which enables sunlight. This is the view from entrance hall to courtyard. Entrance hall mainly has features of Kerala architecture in pillars and traditional paintings. From courtyard, we can enter to auditorium, where 280 people can sit here. There is light control room, sound control room, and green room. This is two toilets, which includes bath and three changing cubicles. This is the section of auditorium. As you can see, the roof type is mainly of composite truss roof. From courtyard, there is access to library. It is connected to the main lobby. Lobby is connected to the main spaces, that is control rooms. It is connected to service through the service stairs. It is connected to galleries to the ramp going down, and through these steps connected to the office area. It is also connected to this restaurant. This is the view of lobby. First floor. This is the first floor plan. First floor can be accessed through these steps or MRL lift for disabled people. This place mainly has office area. There is director general and curator. There are for assistant directors and for assistant curators, and each assistant has one supporting staff. And there is a 18 people seat conference room. There is space for office storage, includes backup of CCTV. There is also a restroom provided for office staff. Basement 1. This is the plan of basement 1. Basement 1 can be accessed from the service entry through the ramp down to basement, and also from lobby through the service stairs or through the lift. This is the section of basement 1. This is the ramp, parking, driveway, and the lift area. It mainly has driveway and can hold up to 14 cars, mainly for senior most staff and VIPs. It has canteen and service area, which is janitor, housekeeping, HAs, electrical rooms. Basement 2. Basement 2 can be accessed from lobby through the escalator or through the MRL lift. This is the section of movement from lobby to basement 2 through the escalator. The headroom is 2.2 meter. Basement 2. This space mainly has two labs, conservation and photography lab. For entering here, there are two man traps provided. Moving forward, there is armored guard room, which is connected to the physical security corridor, circumferencing the gallery space. This space detects penetration through the wall to gallery area. Then we have manuscript store, which is actually gallery space, but it is divided so that researchers and students can use this space for hours. Then coming to gallery, this is the entrance. This acts as the center of the tandem movement. That is, from this space we enter and exit the main gallery space. From there we enter to antique jewelry and fashion, which mainly has linear movement. There is an fire exit given here. Then radially we enter to the western art gallery and exit back to antique jewelry and fashion. Then moving forward, there is a ramp provided to basement 3, which is a double height space. Here you can see the movement from basement to basement 3 through this ramp moving downward. Basement 3. Through this ramp, if we have moved to basement 3, this space mainly exhibits Sharapuni Mala, which is about 6 meters high. They can actually walk around and see each mala, and within them, the history and who has offered are written here. Moving forward, they come to Chola Pandya Hoysala offering space, which has linear movement and radially connected to Mesopotamian and Roman, Egyptian antique. Here also a fire exit is given, and uh, again connecting to throne of Sheraman Pelipan. This space is radially connected to two spaces, 1 and 2. Here, the throne of Chairman Periman will be exhibited here. This is connected to a hidden man trap which is connected to basement 4. And this is the man trap. You can see the steps going to the basement 4. This is the plan of basement 4, which is mainly storage area of gold. This is the section. As you can see, the basement floor. This space is actually raised 90 centimeters from the floor, so that if there any penetration from basement, the physical security will be able to trace it and take action. Exiting from Throne of Sheraman Pyramid, we entered to the linear Chola Panda offering gallery and again readily connected to Ethnic Antique 2 and Ethnic Antique 1 and entering to the wax gallery of 12 kings. This gallery mainly exhibits 12 kings who has ruled the Travancore kingdom and at the center there is a 5-meter long idol of Mahavishnu. This is the view of King's Gallery. As you can see here, the idol of Mahavishnu and surrounded by kings. Through this ramp, moving back to basement 2 and entering to Cohen's Gallery, which mainly has linear movement and radially connecting to stones and diamond and entering to coins. This is the view of Cohen's Gallery. From coins, we reach the tandem movement center, discovery origin of treasure. Through the escalator or lift, again coming back to the lobby. From lobby, we reach the restaurant. Restaurant is connected to kitchen area. There's a seating space and a reception. Toilets with wash is also available. We move to the courtyard, which is open to sky with glazed arcade as a roof. It is connected to library space. People can go and read the books. It is connected to the activity areas like gift shop to mural painting and jute artifacts. At the same time, the members can sit here and rest. Through this door, we exit out of the building to reach the main gate. This is the passage, and there is a children's play area is also provided. But moving forward, some faces are landscaped, and from baggage locker after taking back, they exit back to Chotapura Street Road. Natural ventilation. It mainly works in access control room, entrance out, and the air may enter and goes upward to the courtyard. And it also enters the library to the jalis. Natural light also enters the library. Jute artifacts and mural workshop are also naturally ventilated. Mechanical ventilation. The grey color depicts the mechanical ventilation false ceiling. Special topic is security system. Application of special topic. Primary access control system. It is given at the entrance gate. After taking ticket, the person will enter to the door frame scanner. He will keep his bag for scanning and it is given to baggage locker. Then moving forward, the access control is secondary access control system. Here the main process is FAST, Future Attribute Screening Technology. Future Attribute Screening Technology. It means a person goes through 6 stages of checking, and if a person doesn't pass the test, he will be surveyed under CCTV camera. Tertiary access control system is located before entry into lobby. There is tensile for entry for people, and for staff there is fingerprint scanner. Control room and surveillance room are highly secured spaces located in a public area, so making these spaces highly secure. 2 man traps are provided. Man trap mainly has people counter sensor, smart card reader, fingerprint reader. When 3 of these are unlocked, the door opens automatically. Security guard. They are mainly given at at the millimeter wave scanner, at the entrance to the lobby, exit of the lobby, exit from the building, and at the gallery area. Every spaces in gallery are given a security guard. In basement 3, CCTV. They are mainly given at all four corners of every spaces. Motion detector. They are mainly given at every entrance door, in ducts at every entrance area. You can see here. Automatic door. The door closes automatically during burglar alarm. They are provided at the entrance door, at the entrance to the lobby, exit of the lobby, and at the main exit. Fire exit vaulted door can only be opened from inside. It is 30 centimeter thickness concrete door. It is located here. Service entry. Service entry mainly has anti-crash barrier, bottom scanner, license plate recognizer, traffic light, and barrier. The glazed roof of courtyard is made of double tempered glass, making it strong, and glass break detectors are fixed to detect burst glass. Walls are made of 30 centimeter M60 RCC concrete, making the structure bomb-proof. Though the underwater level is near the ground level, that is 5 meters below, RCC structure may block the water penetration.